Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Suno AI to create amazing songs with just a simple text prompt. If you are a content creator, YouTuber, or someone who loves music, then this AI tool can seriously save you a lot of time. First, open your browser and go to the official website, suno.com. After opening the site, sign up using your Google account or email. Once you log in, you'll see the main dashboard where you can start creating music instantly. Now click on the Create option, and here you'll see a text box. This is the most important part, because here you have to describe what kind of song you want. For example, you can type something like create a motivational rap song with energetic beats and male vocals, or create a sad lo-fi song with emotional female vocals. The better and more detailed your prompt is, the better your result will be. After writing your prompt, simply click on Generate. Suno AI will now automatically create a full song for you, with lyrics, vocals, background music, and professional quality sound effects. And honestly, the results are really impressive, especially for beginners who don't know music production. Once your song is ready, you can listen to it, regenerate it if you want better results, or directly download it to your device. You can use these songs for YouTube videos, shorts, reels, gaming videos, background music, and many other creative projects. Just make sure to check the copyright and commercial usage policy before uploading professionally. One important tip: always try different prompts and music styles. Experiment with genres like rap, cinematic, EDM, lo-fi, or Bollywood-style music to get more unique results. You can even mention instruments, mood, tempo, and vocal type to make the AI generate exactly what you want. So yeah guys, that's basically how you can use Suno AI to create awesome AI-generated songs in just a few minutes. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which AI tool you want me to cover next.